Hi, third grade, and welcome back to the final day of week 8 in your green grammar book. Today, we're going to go over the correct answers for the Thursday section. Number 1, use the subordinating conjunction to combine the two sentences. Label the independent and dependent clauses of your sentence. We will take the bus to the beach. You can take us. The subordinating conjunction that they want us to use here to combine these two sentences is unless. Here's how you could do it. We will take the bus to the beach unless you can take us. Let's label our clauses now. The first clause is, we will take the bus to the beach. Since that could stand alone as a complete sentence, that is an independent clause because, again, independent means by yourself. That portion of the sentence can stand alone by itself. The second clause is, unless you can take us. That, boys and girls, is not a complete sentence, and therefore that is the dependent clause. Number 2, identify if the sentence is simple, compound, or complex. The girls cleaned the house, so Mom took them to the beach. Well, here we have a clause that says the girls cleaned the house. That can stand alone as a complete sentence, so that is an independent clause. Mom took them to the beach is another clause, and that is also an independent clause because it can stand alone as a complete sentence. When you have two independent clauses joined together, that is a compound sentence. So just like compound words are two independent words joined together, a compound sentence is two independent clauses joined together to form one sentence. Number 3, use descriptive language to rewrite the sentence. The man waited for the dentist. I went ahead and added an adjective and an adverb to make the sentence more interesting. I decided to write, the nervous man anxiously waited for the dentist. Number 4, find a word with a prefix or suffix that matches the definition in parentheses. If you blank the word, it will be marked wrong. They want us to come up with a word that means spell wrongly. Well, a word for that is misspell. If you misspell the word, it will be marked wrong. The prefix mis, M-I-S, is attached to the beginning of that word to mean spell wrongly. Finally, number 5, use context clues to determine the meaning of the underlined word. The hue of the water matched his sparkling blue eyes. Hue means a particular variety or shade of color. Thank you so much for joining me this week. I will see you back next week for week 9.